is your spacious living space. Here is your spacious kitchen. Now, here is your spacious, gorgeous, beautiful master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video, we are doing a sample flat tour of Holistico Astrana, which is located behind Amnora Mall, Hadapsar, Pune and developed by Holistico Universe. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office and the land parcel of this project. और उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है DP Road. But before diving into the project, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview with the help of the 3D model. This project is constructed on 6.5 acres of land parcel with the 6 towers, which includes 5-level podium plus parking plus 37 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual DP Road in front of the sales office, जिसका right side connect करता है बापू साहेब तुपे रोड और लेफ्ट साइड कनेक्ट करता है केशव नगर को. दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड बिहाइंड अमनोरा मॉल, हड़पसर, पुणे. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है सोलापुर हाईवे 900 मीटर्स, अमनोरा मॉल 1 किलोमीटर्स एंड मुंडवा चौक 3.3 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project with the help of the 3D model. This project has 56 plus luxurious amenities such as Olympic swimming pool, squash court, kids play area, clubhouse, multipurpose court, jogging track and many more. As you can see, I am at the entrance of the 4 BHK sample flat, which has a carpet area of 1950 square feet. Now, this is the entrance and at the entrance you get a video door phone and digital door lock for security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get a spacious entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now, let's check out the living space. Now, here is your spacious living space where you get a lot of walking space. You can set up your couch. Also, you get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. Also, this balcony is very spacious. Now, before I show you the dining space, let me show you the first bedroom, as this flat is based on the butterfly concept. Now, here is your first bedroom, where you can customize it with a lounge or you can set up your bed set. Here, you also can set up your TV unit. Also, you get an attached balcony, which is also connected to the living space. Here in the first bedroom, you get an attached washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and glass partition. Now, let's check out the dining space. Now, here is your beautiful dining space, where you can enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let me show you the kitchen space. Here is your spacious kitchen, where you get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink and attached dry balcony, where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Also, you get an attached window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your refrigerator. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Before I show you the second bedroom, you get a powder room which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles. Now, here is your entrance of the second bedroom. As soon as you enter, you get an attached washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now, here is your second bedroom where you can set up your bed. You also get a lot of walking space. Also, you get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Also, you get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Now, let's check out the third bedroom. Now, here is your third bedroom, which is very spacious where you get a lot of walking space. Here, you can set up your bed and TV unit. Also, you get an attached balcony, which has an anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. Now here, you get a attached walk-in wardrobe, which is also connected to the washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now, let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment scheme, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Now, here is your spacious, gorgeous, beautiful master bedroom, where you get a lot of walking space. Here, you can set up your bed and TV unit. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Also, you get an attached master washroom, where you get a walk-in wardrobe attached to the washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. So everyone, this was a 4 BHK sample flat tour of Holistico Astrana, which is located behind Amnora Mall, Hadapsar, Pune and developed by Holistico Universe. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.